Welcome, and thank you for your interest in BizInsight, the business intelligence and analysis solution from BizNet Software. This demonstration is being brought to you by BCS Prosoft. In this demonstration, we're going to look at BizInsight from a different perspective. We're going to look at a few of the different types of reports, which, when created using BizInsight and our integration to your MAS 9200 system, greatly enable your decision makers to refresh their data based on periods, years, divisions, and so forth. Here we're looking at a report that's an income statement by division. What that means is that this report is created using the BizInsight integration. As we can see, if we double-click on any of the cells, our formula editor appears, showing us that we're cell linking to pull the data in. What we've done in this report is take advantage of some Excel functionality to further enhance it. Validation lists or drop-down lists can be created based on the different segments of your chart of account to create filters. Here, we're filtering on the division segment, so that if we choose as a decision maker one of the other divisions, our report automatically refreshes. And, as with any other BizInsight report, when we're ready to see an additional period of data, we simply highlight, drag, and drop. A different report, but somewhat similar in topic, is one that is filtered across the columns by one of the segments of your chart of account and filtered in a validation list by the period. If we open up one of the cells with the formula editor and pull it over, we'll notice that segment 2 is now filtered based on a cell reference, in this case D7. D7 being a location or division or department depending upon how your organization is set up. In this case, decision makers can see the locations across the columns, and when they're ready to see the new period of data, they simply take the drop-down or validation list, and the BizInsight integration to the MAS 90 system automatically refreshes that report. Another report that you can create using BizInsight is a consolidation across different companies in your MAS 9200 system. Similar to the report that we just looked at with locations across the column, here we simply have companies across the columns. As we refresh the periods, let's go back one in this case, the report refreshes. In this case, we'll see that XYZ didn't have any postings in period 11. Perhaps it was a company that was brought on and for the first time was posted to in period 12. The BizInsight integration pulls the appropriate data from the correct company database, consolidating it into one report. Another type of report that's enhanced using BizInsight would be a budget to actual variance. In this case, we can use those validation lists based on our Excel integration to point to different versions of the budget, which will update your report. Or, as we've seen before, change the period and the report updates as well. A typical report that is sometimes cumbersome to create using other applications is a rolling forecast. With BizInsight, to update this report on a monthly basis, we simply highlight, drag, and drop, and our additional column of actuals is added, updating our rolling forecast in a matter of minutes. Another useful report would be a year-over-year comparison, where, using the BizInsight integration to the MAS 90 data, our information is being automatically pulled in, so that when we change our period, both columns are updated immediately. Where, when we change our period, both columns are automatically updated. quarter-by-year report is another helpful report where BizInsight takes advantage of our integration with Excel to allow you to create reports by quarters. Using the outline capability to suppress or hide the individual periods which are pulling from the BizInsight integration to Mass 90, summarizing into quarterly columns. You can even do dashboarding with BizInsight reports. Using those same drag and drop functions, you can create a dashboard type of report with KPIs and graphical interface. What this allows you to do for your end users is share dashboard type reports. Instead of having to invest in dashboarding applications, use the Excel spreadsheet environment that you already have. Microsoft spends millions of dollars on R&D every year, and they've enhanced the dashboarding capability of Excel quite a bit. BizInsight allows you to take advantage of those enhancements and create reports that can be easily updated, similar to the way that we've seen other BizInsight reports, where not only the numbers, but in this case, the graphs, can update automatically, enabling you to provide your decision makers with graphical representation of your organization's performance. Thank you for your interest. If you'd like to learn more about BizInsight, please visit our website. Call us toll-free or email us directly. We look forward to hearing from you. Thank you and have a great day.